Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're ready because I feel like it's been a long time since I've done a favorites video, and this one I think is probably the biggest one I've done. So grab some coffee, grab tea, grab a snack maybe, and grab your pencil and your notepad obviously because you're gonna want to write all of these down. We're just gonna get right into it with these Quay sunglasses. I'm obsessed with these. So these are not like super new, but I always find myself reaching for these aviators. They're like the perfect size. Like I like oversized aviators. I have another pair, but these are the bigger one and I just love them. And I love an all matte black. The rim is matte black, like I said. They are polarized, so I love that. And I think they're on sale right now. I did tell Taz, I saw like an advertisement and it said buy one get one free, and I said, babe, let's buy them, but we didn't, you know, because we're trying to save. But these are my favorite sunglasses right now. Let's move on to footwear because your girl. Okay, so I have been loving these for summer. They're a little dirty already, so I apologize, but I got these from Target. Well, actually, Taz got them for me for my birthday. And they're just these cute canvas sneakers. They got like little platforms. I don't know if you guys were around when these were in style back in the day. They had the platform sneakers, but I love them. They're so comfortable, and I believe they were like 24 bucks. So it was relatively affordable for not statement sneakers, but like just a nice pair of sneakers that you can throw on with a dress. You guys know I love throwing on sneakers with dresses. Speaking of Target, I also got these little sandals. I don't know what's going on with me. I used to hate like the small heel, but now I think I'm kind of into it. These are these little shoes. I actually have the heel version of these shoes, and they just wrap around the ankle. They've got this cute little strap in the front, and then these little heels in the back. And again, I just think this would be so cute with like a pair of jeans even, just to kind of spice up the outfit. And not really spice up the outfit, but like give it a little more, you know what I mean? It's almost like you tried a little bit harder because it looks like semi, not formal obviously because we don't have the heel, but it looks a little bit more dressed up. So this is really cute to just put on with either, you know, a skirt, some dresses, or well, one dress really. And then just like sneakers. And then I also got the same ones in the nude color because you can never go wrong. And I think again, these were in the 20 range. So very, very affordable. Before I continue, I do want to let you know that everything I mentioned will be in the description box below, so you guys can just check it out if you want. And then of course, if I have some codes for anything I share, I will also share that as well. Moving on, let's just talk this. Okay, I hate shaving. I hate shaving so much. Hate it, hate it, hate it. And I kept seeing this advertisement on like the side of my internet browser or Instagram, and I just caved. So I bought this Billy razor, got the pale pink version, and I just love this so much. I know it's like kind of weird, like what do you love about a razor? But I have never gotten the best shave of my life until I met Billy. Billy, I got the shave cream, and then I also got like their starter pack. They are a monthly service, and I got this starter pack for $9. It came with this, and then I also got like a travel kit, not a kit, but like you just put it over the razor so that you don't have to like worry about the razor sticking to anything. And then with this, I think it came with it, I'm not sure, but I bought it, or I don't know, but I'll put everything in the description box. And it's literally this little triangle that you put in your bathroom, like in your shower, and it just sticks on. So obviously not like that because it doesn't stick, but you just literally just let it go, boop. I'll just put in the video here so you can see, and I just love it so much because I just find that like when I just don't put it up like that, it just gets really like crusty and gross, and so I really, really enjoy that. And then the Billy shave cream, I actually like it. I didn't think I was gonna like it. I did research some reviews on it before I bought it, and it is like a cream rather than a foamy lather, but I don't know what it is. This just makes your legs and your pity patties super, super soft. So it does have aloe vera and sage in it, so I'm assuming that's part of it. Check this out if you haven't. Skincare. I am just gonna put all of these together because there's a lot of products. But during quarantine, and I've just been wanting to take care of my skin a little bit better, and I have more time to kind of just do the morning routine, do the night routine. So I've really, really, really been loving that part of my day. And so I'm just gonna talk about a couple things. I don't have like a holy grail for anything. So I just literally just go through whatever I'm feeling at the moment. And right now, my little cocktail of choice is for the morning, I'll do the Tula Skincare, what is this? Protect and Glow. And it's empty. I wish you can see. There you go. You see how empty it is? Anyway, I have this. I put this on every morning. It gives you a nice glow. Plus also has SPF 30, which is fan-freaking-tastic, especially if you work out outside, go for runs, or just go outside every day. You should be putting on SPF if you're gonna go outside, even under your makeup. So love, love, love. I am getting a refill of this soon. I do have a code for Tula. I believe it's just Yami. Again, I'll put it back in the description box for you guys so you guys can check it out if you want to save some money. Along with that, I have a thing with oils. I'm in a phase where I love oils, whether it be on my body or my face. This is the Free Talia Sutra. I think it's a collab with somebody. But it's their I Am Love Deep Illuminating Oil. Sometimes I'll just put this on my face right after this just to give it a nice, hydrating, radiant glow. And then I won't put on any makeup. Or I'll put this under my makeup for a little bit of a glow. You know what I'm saying? And I love it so much. The packaging is beautiful. I just think it's great. I do have a code for free as well. I'll put that in the description box below. That's the morning. At night, though, I use these guys. These are the Bare Minerals Skin Longevity, I guess, formulas collection, skin longevity collection. And so they have the long life herb serum, I can't see what it's called, the night treatment, and then this is their eye treatment. And I also use the Ordinary Retinol. So as your girl gets older, you know, she's got to take care of those fine lines and those wrinkles, and this bad boy is coming in clutch. And this is so affordable. I think it was like $7. The Ordinary is known for their really affordable prices, but also being super effective. In the Bare Minerals, the serum, I put that on first, and then I put the retinol, and then I put the eye cream around my eyes, and then last but not least, I'll do the night treatment. And then in the morning, my skin just feels so plump, like a little baby's bottom. I love it so much. I don't know why I made that voice. Like, why am I talking like that? Anyway, let's do some makeup. So I think in another life, I was definitely a makeup guru because I just love it so much. I don't know what it is, but I honestly don't know. I could watch makeup tutorials forever. And then I think I could be one, and then I put my makeup on, and then I'm like, no, you can't be one. But along with everything, it just takes practice. But I wanted to share some things that I've been loving. I did finally pick up the Infallible 24-hour fresh wear. Love this so much. However, I just wish it was a little bit more glowy. But besides that, this has literally become my fave. Then for concealer, I was a diehard Shape Tape fan, but it's a little pricey. So your girl tried these CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer. And to be completely transparent with you, I only got this because it was on clearance at Target, and I ended up loving it. I got this color and a little bit more like a paler white if I wanted to like kind of highlight a little bit more. And I love this so much. After using it and after seeing it on YouTube, it literally is dubbed like the Shape Tape dupe. So if you are in the market for a more affordable Shape Tape dupe, this is your gal. Again, it's the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer. It just keeps you nice and hydrated, doesn't dry out your under eyes. Love it so much. This is super affordable lippies. So this is the LA Girl Ultimate Intense Stay Auto Liner, and it looks super like luxe. It's got the gold, and it's got like this nice applicator, and then it's got like the little rubber right here. And I got them in two colors. One is more my shade, like my natural lip, and then this other one is a little bit darker. I'm actually wearing these right now together. I just lined my lips with the one that's more mine, and then I just went a little bit lining with the darker shade, and then I filled it in with the darker shade. I don't know if that's right, but that's what I did. And then I literally just put chapstick over it, and I just loved it so much. I didn't want a super matte, but I didn't want a super glossy, so I just put like I said, chapstick. So the colors that I got, Nonstop Nude and Keep It Spicy. And again, I think these were, I actually got buy one, get one free at Ulta for this one, but I think they're like $5. I don't know. I'm really bad with remembering things. Let's do hair care. This one is a lot. I think I finally found the perfect cocktail for my hair. And all my curly girls know that like it takes a lot. So I mentioned earlier in a couple videos ago that I am working with a brand, helping them with their social media. And fortunately for me, it's a hair brand, and they are called June Hair Care. And honestly, I did not think this was going to change my life the way it has, but I washed my hair yesterday, so this is my hair on day, I guess technically day one, or I mean, whatever you consider, I don't know. Anyway, this is the June Persian Secrets Saffron Rose Shampoo and Conditioner. The packaging is absolutely gorgeous. It's pretty much, since I work for them, I do know the little story behind their products. And it's pretty much, they're a Persian family. They would go to Iran every summer and they would see their families and their grandmothers working with saffron and pistachio and just like all these herbs, and they want to just kind of combine the hair care with their Persian secrets, and they got this baby, and this has been a dream. And then with this is my favorite product of theirs. It's their hair elixir, and again, this is made with pistachio and rose hair oil. You can see the pistachio right there. Obviously, I have been using it. You can see how empty it is. I love it so much. The reason why I know that this is working, because my hair has never felt so soft. Like the first cocktail, actually I should say, if the first cocktail, if you guys want me to do like a hair routine, let me know. I'd love to do that for you. But the first day when I do my hair, it's very crunchy because I have just set it in place. But after that, it becomes really, really soft. And I really notice it when I put my hair up to like work out. I just feel how soft and luscious they are. And my hair has never been like this. You can see the curls clearly. I just love it so much. It provides a beautiful shine. For those of you that have straight hair, this also works beautifully. You can use this as a detangler. You can use it as a heat protectant, which I had no idea about. And then obviously to style and like work the frizzies away. Luckily, they did give me a code. They actually just started their affiliate program. I started it for them. So I said, you know what? I'm going to give myself a code. It is a little bit pricey, but it is so worth it. With that, my other cocktail must-haves, not your mother's. Like, again, I'm just going to put these all together because it's just a lot. But it's not your mother's Curl Talk Sculpting Gel, the 3-in-1 conditioner, the defining cream, and the curl activating mousse. I don't know what it is, but I put all of these together, and I have just been learning what my hair likes, what it doesn't like, and it's just been amazing. So again, like I said, if you guys want to see an updated hair care, an updated curly hair routine, like a wash day, let me know. I'd love to do that for you. And then let me look around. I feel like, are we done? Hold on. Oh, I missed this. Back to makeup. This is, it's empty. But this is the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. Honestly, I did not think I was gonna like this, and girl, I like it. The only thing, the smell is not my favorite. I spoke to somebody about this and they said that they don't mind it, but for me, it's like, kind of like, not morning breath, but like a sneeze, if that makes any sense. And I told her that's what I felt. And she's like, you know what? I've read reviews and that's what it says. But it's either like you love it or you hate it. And I'm not probably selling it the way I probably should be, but I just want to tell you guys the truth. The smell is not the greatest, but if you can get past that, then you're golden, because it doesn't linger. The smell doesn't linger. It just kind of like, while you're spraying it is when I smell it, and then it goes away like 2 seconds later. So that doesn't bother me that much. It's just like the initial spray. Let me look at my list, because I made a list of everything and I just don't want to forget anything. Oh, yes. Okay. You guys may have noticed, may have not noticed. I don't even know, but I have been wearing a lot more jewelry lately. And what my mission was to kind of create a jewelry collection that I can wear all the time. And I think I have finally did it. I think I need like 2 more rings, but besides that, I'm done. I do want to get myself a little pinky ring. I'm not sure where I want to put it, and I want to get myself another ring here, and of course my wedding band. But okay, let's start with the what is this called? Your wrist. This is the tennis bracelet from Ellie Vale. What I really like about them is that it is water resistant, or they claim to be water resistant. I don't take showers with it, but sometimes I do work out with it, and it's fine. The second one right here, this herringbone bracelet, was a gift from Taz for my birthday. I will put a link in the description box for something similar. And then this other one is a smaller herringbone. I believe this one is also from Ellie Vale, but I'll put it in the description box. And then we move on to, let's go here, my earrings. So I really wanted like a cuff, but I don't have piercings there. I only have 1 piercing in my ears. So I got this cuff that can come off. I'm not gonna take it off because it kind of hurts when you have to like put it through. And that is from, I forget, I'll put it in the description box below. These little guys are from the M Jewelers, no, these are the same from this company. So I'll just put that in the description box below. And then my necklaces, this beautiful herringbone necklace is actually real gold. Everything else is like plated, but this is actually real gold. Taz got this for me as like a little gift for after we got married, legally. And the cross necklace, I've been wanting one of these cross necklaces forever, and I finally found the perfect one. This is from M Jewelers, and then this little tiny guy is also from M Jewelers. And oh wait, am I missing one? Yes, this one. This one is from Ellie Vale, and I don't know if you guys can see it. I'll be putting up close up so you guys can see better. But that is my jewelry stack. Love. Oh, this little Casio was a gift from Taz for my birthday. I love it so much, and obviously my engagement ring. That is all I have for you. That is my July favorites. I know it was a lot. If you have any questions on anything, make sure to leave them down below, and I will get back to you and answer all your questions. But that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next one. I love y'all. Mwah.